The Nikon Z8 is a camera crafted for those who demand excellence in both photography and videography, blending cutting-edge technology with practical design. At its core, the Z8 boasts a 45.7 megapixel full-frame backside illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, a marvel of engineering that captures images with astonishing detail, clarity, and dynamic range. With this sensor, photographers can delve into genres as diverse as sweeping landscapes, intricate portraits, dynamic sports, and elusive wildlife, all while enjoying the flexibility to crop images without sacrificing quality. One of the Z8's standout features is its advanced autofocus system, which employs deep learning algorithms to recognize and track a broad array of subjects. Whether it's a fast-moving athlete, an unpredictable animal, or even a moving vehicle, the camera's 493-point phase detect autofocus covers 90% of the frame, ensuring sharp focus in virtually any scenario. The system's remarkable sensitivity, down to 9 EV in starlight view mode, means it continues to perform even in near darkness, making it equally adept at capturing nighttime cityscapes or faint stars over a tranquil landscape. Speed is another hallmark of the Z8. Capable of shooting up to 20 frames per second in full-resolution RAW or JPEG, and up to 120 frames per second for 11-megapixel JPEGs, it's engineered for the moments that unfold in the blink of an eye. The pre-release capture feature further tilts the odds in favor of the photographer, recording images before the shutter is fully pressed. A boon for wildlife or sports photographers who can't afford to miss a decisive moment. The camera's fully electronic shutter allows for silent operation and shutter speeds up to 132,000th of a second, while a protective sensor shield keeps dust at bay during lens changes, even in challenging environments. Videographers will find the Z8 equally compelling. It delivers 8K UHD video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K up to a blistering 120 frames per second, and supports advanced formats such as NRAW and ProRes RAW HQ, catering to professionals who want maximum flexibility in post-production. With robust in-body image stabilization, up to 6 stops when paired with compatible lenses, handheld shooting remains smooth and steady, even at longer focal lengths or in low light. Features like waveform monitoring, mid-tone zebras, and a red rec frame indicator provide the tools needed for precise exposure and focus, while the camera's dual USB-C ports, full-size HDMI output, and support for external microphones and headphones round out its video credentials. Usability is a key consideration in the Z8's design. Its body, constructed from a blend of magnesium alloy and advanced composites, is compact, weather-sealed, and freeze-proof, offering pro-level durability in a lighter package. The electronic viewfinder delivers a blackout-free, lifelike experience, while the 4-axis tilting touchscreen, LCD, makes composing shots from challenging angles a breeze. Illuminated buttons and night-friendly display options ensure the Z8 is as capable in the dark as it is in daylight. The camera's firmware updates continue to expand its capabilities, introducing features like pixel shift shooting for ultra-high-resolution images, auto capture triggered by subject detection or motion, and enhanced subject recognition. Photographers can customize controls extensively, tailoring the camera to their workflow and preferences, while seamless wireless connectivity enables instant sharing and remote operation via Nikon StatBridge app. Though the Z8's battery life is shorter than the flagship Z9, an expected trade-off for its smaller size, USB charging and efficient power management keep it ready for extended shoots. Its dual card slots support high-speed CF Express and SD cards, offering flexibility and redundancy for both stills and video. In summary, the Nikon Z8 is a true hybrid powerhouse, seamlessly blending flagship performance, adaptability, and innovative features. It's designed for professionals and passionate enthusiasts alike, those who refuse to compromise, whether freezing a fleeting moment or crafting cinematic stories. For anyone seeking a do-it-all camera that sets new standards in both photography and videography, the Z8 stands as a compelling and enduring choice.